Okay, now we've got that branch, we've got the trunk, and we have that branch. Instead of doing an individual wire holding a branch, if we wire from there down the trunk and across here, it makes a bias stronger, a much more stronger bind. So let's see what happens. We're going to hold that one there and wire this branch into position. Normally this wire would go all the way to the point. And we're coming along here now and going down the trunk until we get here, and then we will wire this branch all the way to the end. That way of wiring is much stronger than the other two ways that we've shown you. The one branch, when you bend it and you hold the other branch and you bend it, they both stay bent.